In the annals of celestial history, the year 2025 stands as a pivotal moment, a juncture that ushered in a new era of cosmic exploration and speculation. The cosmos bore witness to an unparalleled celestial dance, a grand choreographed spectacle of cosmic proportions that left the world's most esteemed astronomers and astrophysicists in a state of bewilderment and intrigue. Two titanic celestial bodies, SWAN and 3i Atlas, embarked on a synchronized journey towards our very own sun, a spectacle that ignited a heated debate among the scholars of the cosmos. Was this a mere coincidence, or was it the work of a coordinated mission? SWAN, a colossal entity 5 times the size of a full moon, displayed behaviors that defied conventional astronomical wisdom. Its surface exhibited metallic signatures, a telltale sign of artificial or exotic materials. Moreover, its movements were not those of a typical celestial body. They were controlled, calculated, and purposeful, akin to a cosmic puppeteer manipulating its marionettes. The surface of SWAN was not a mere inert, inanimate expanse, but seemed to pulse with an energy that defied explanation. Some researchers even suggested that the surface was not smooth, but rather composed of intricate geometric patterns that seemed to change and shift as the celestial body rotated. 3i Atlas, a smaller, agile object, was no less enigmatic. It displayed sudden accelerations that defied its size and composition. Furthermore, its tail, usually a dull, unexciting appendage, underwent color shifts that suggested it might be a machine. The sudden and deliberate changes in its trajectory, coupled with its tail color shifts, were reminiscent of a high-performance sports car weaving through city streets. At times the tail seemed to emit a faint, pulsating light, as if it were a beacon guiding SWAN towards the sun. The synchronized paths of these celestial bodies were a slap in the face to our understanding of the universe. They approached the sun within a 3-day span and within 50 million kilometers, a distance that would put them in orbit around our planet. Such a close approach defies natural occurrences, as celestial bodies of such size and proximity should have perturbed each other long before they reached such close quarters. The sheer precision of their synchronized dance left many astounded, as if the laws of physics themselves had been temporarily suspended. The climax of this celestial ballet occurred during a solar glare blackout, a rare event that occurs when the sun's intense light is temporarily blocked, usually by a solar storm. This timing raised suspicions of deliberate coordination, as if the two objects were waiting for the perfect moment to put on their cosmic show. During the blackout, energy outputs from both objects reached unprecedented levels. SWAN, in particular, seemed to be emitting a consistent pattern of energy bursts, a signature that some researchers theorized could be a form of communication, or, even more provocatively, the harvesting of solar energy. The implications of such a discovery were staggering. If SWAN was indeed harvesting solar energy, it could potentially harness an almost inexhaustible source of power, a power that could reshape the destiny of any civilization fortunate enough to wield it. The silence from major space agencies about this event has sparked concern. NASA, the European Space Agency, and their counterparts around the world have remained tight-lipped, fueling speculation and conspiracy theories. Some have suggested that the agencies are suppressing information for reasons of national security, while others believe that they are simply at a loss as to how to explain the phenomenon. The lack of transparency from these organizations has led to a growing sense of distrust and unease among the scientific community and the general public. Some researchers have delved into the annals of history, searching for clues to the origins of these enigmatic objects. They have found evidence of their appearance in prehistoric times, their arrival recorded in ancient carvings and petroglyphs. The return of SWAN, with its complex organic molecules, could suggest a mission to distribute life across star systems, a cosmic sower scattering the seeds of life across the cosmic planes. Some have even suggested that the 3i Atlas could be a scout or exploratory vessel, sent ahead to pave the way for the arrival of SWAN. As efforts to study these objects intensify, the implications for humanity are profound. If these objects are indeed machines, they could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. They could herald a new era of technological advancement, one in which we harness the power of the stars and venture forth into the great unknown. However, this new era could also bring with it unforeseen risks and challenges. What if these objects are not benevolent beings, but rather harbingers of destruction? What if they are the vanguard of an advanced civilization that seeks to conquer and colonize? The answers to these questions remain elusive, but one thing is certain. The celestial dance of SWAN and 3i Atlas has set the stage for a new chapter in human history, a chapter that will test our courage, our ingenuity, and our very survival. In the face of these uncertainties, it is crucial that we remain grounded, that we continue to ask difficult questions, and that we seek answers through scientific inquiry and empirical evidence. It is essential that we maintain a sense of humility, that we recognize the vast uncharted territories that still lie beyond our reach, and that we approach the unknown with a spirit of adventure and discovery. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, let us remember the words of the great Carl Sagan. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. SWAN and 3i Atlas have shown us that the incredible is closer than we think, and that the cosmos still holds many mysteries for us to unravel. Let us embrace this challenge, and let us strive to unlock the secrets of the universe, one celestial dance at a time. In the years that followed, humanity would come to learn much more about SWAN and 3i Atlas. They would learn about their composition, their origins, and their purpose. They would learn about the complex, intricate technologies that powered their movements and their energy outputs. They would learn about the intricate geometric patterns that adorned the surface of SWAN, patterns that seemed to change and shift as the celestial body rotated. And they would learn about the complex organic molecules that SWAN carried with it, molecules that seemed to hold the key to the origin and evolution of life. But perhaps most importantly, humanity would learn about themselves. They would learn about their capacity for curiosity, for discovery, and for perseverance. They would learn about their ability to adapt, to innovate, and to overcome adversity. They would learn about their resilience, their determination, and their unquenchable thirst for knowledge. And in doing so, they would come to realize that they were not mere observers of the universe, but active participants in its grand, cosmic tapestry. The story of SWAN and 3i Atlas would become a touchstone for humanity, a reminder of our place in the cosmos, and a testament to our capacity for greatness. It would stand as a symbol of our boundless potential, our unyielding spirit, and our indomitable will, and it would serve as a beacon of hope, a guiding light that would inspire generations to come, to reach for the stars, to venture forth into the great unknown, and to write the next chapter in the cosmic saga that is the story of humanity. As we continue to explore the heavens, to unravel the mysteries of the universe, and to push the boundaries of our knowledge, we must remember the lessons that SWAN and 3i Atlas have taught us. We must remember that the universe is vast, uncharted, and full of wonder. We must remember that we are not alone, that we are part of a cosmic tapestry that stretches across time and space. And we must remember that we have within us the capacity to do great things, to achieve the impossible, and to change the course of history. In the words of Neil deGrasse Tyson, the universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. SWAN and 3i Atlas have shown us that the universe does not owe us answers, that it does not bow to our whims or our desires, but they have also shown us that the universe is full of wonders, full of mysteries and full of potential, and it is up to us as a species to unlock these mysteries, to unravel these wonders and to harness this potential. So let us continue to reach for the stars, to venture forth into the great unknown, and to write the next chapter in the cosmic saga that is the story of humanity. Let us continue to ask difficult questions, to seek answers through scientific inquiry and empirical evidence, and to embrace the unknown with a spirit of adventure and discovery. And let us remember the words of the great Carl Sagan, "Somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known." SWAN and 3i Atlas have shown us that the incredible is closer than we think, and that the cosmos still holds many mysteries for us to unravel. Let us embrace this challenge, and let us strive to unlock the secrets of the universe, one celestial dance at a time.